Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ariba and I'm presenting on behalf of my group. So my teammates are Aman, Riaz, Muhammad Talha and Muqaddas Ilahi, and we chose the tool Malware Bytes. This is a little overview of what the presentation is gonna be. Starting off with introduction, Malware Bytes is a software tool that detects, removes and prevents malware and ransomware from entering your system. Its purpose is to provide users with advanced tools so that they can protect their systems from various malware. It serves as a critical layer of defense for both individual and organizational level. The methodology, how does it detect and remove malware? It uses signature-based detection, behavior analysis, and artificial intelligence. So what happens in behavioral analysis is that it employs heuristic techniques to analyze software behavior in real time. And real-time protection mechanisms are basically, it blocks access to malicious websites, it monitors system processes to intercept threats before they can execute, and also updates the database so that it is aware of any new threats that are going to come. Moving towards installation, its installation is pretty easy. You go to the official Malware Bytes website and you just download the installer and you run the installer and it is set up. You open Malware Bytes and you choose whatever, if you want free or premium version depending on the functionality that you are going to need. Here are some snippets from the installation process. Okay, so configuration. How do we configure Malware Bytes? You open Malware Bytes and then you see the main dashboard. You go to the gear icon or the settings and you enable automatic updates and enable notifications so that you're always notified whenever you have updates or any malware detected in your system. Here are some snippets of the configuration process. Then we have testing and deployment. Malware detection test can be done by using a test file, which is a safe test file, which is not going to harm your system, but it will be flagged as malware by Malwarebytes. Secondly, the performance testing. You can check the performance of your system, your CPU, your RAM, and carry out a full scan on your system. For compatibility testing, you can also see if it works alongside existing antivirus softwares in your system. So there can be single system installation, like for your own personal use. There can be enterprise deployment, in which a group policy to install Malwarebytes across multiple systems centrally. Then there's post deployment testing. You run scans, verify real-time protection, and review logs to ensure all endpoints are protected. So detecting and removing malware from a system, this is what our use case is. So we have a test file, the safe test file, and we create a text file of this malware. Then we run a custom scan on the folder that where the text file exists. And here, if we see, it is flagged as malware. Moving to the next slide, here we have the report where it has flagged the malware file and also quarantined it. If we review the quarantine list and remove any harmful items permanently, when we restart the system, if Malwarebytes recommends it. Okay, so completion, we can go to the reports tab in Malwarebytes to view scan results, and there we'll be able to see the number of threats detected and removed. And if we move to the folder where we initially saved the text file, it will also be removed from there. The second use case is real-time protection. So what happens in real-time protection, if we are using the internet and we click on a link which is malicious, it is going to quickly give us a notification. So here, this is a website where we have lots of malicious links, but they're safe and they will be flagged by Malwarebytes. So if we click on any of these links, here you can see there is a notification pop-up that shows us that this link is malicious. Also, we can go to detection history and see all of the links that were flagged for real-time protection. And yeah, so that was it. In conclusion, Malwarebytes turned out to be pretty reliable, and it provides advanced protection against cyber threats. and it was very easy to use. And here are some future trends that are listed. There can be enhanced integration of AI for predictive threat detection. They can be focused on combating fileless malware and advanced persistent threats. And they can be improved cloud-based solutions for scalability and efficiency. So yeah, that was it from my side. Thank you for listening to me.